Yachtbroker Justin Williams here in beautiful Orange Beach, Alabama today, checking out a 2002 Hatteras 60 convertible, no someday. Features of the No Someday are a 4-stateroom, 3-head layout with optional 60/40 bow configuration forward with a beautiful maple interior. A few of the recent upgrades are SeaKeeper 16 back in the cockpit, GARMIN suite of electronics, 2 new Onan 21.5 kW generators, and a complete paint job from the waterline all the way up. If you're looking for a sport fish convertible, come on down to Orange Beach, Alabama and check out No Someday. For more information about No Someday, click the link down below. Make sure you follow Galati Yacht Sales and Yacht Broker Justin Williams on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and LinkedIn. If you're looking to buy, sell, or trade, give me a call. We cater to them all, big or small. Yacht Broker Justin Williams, your waypoint for yacht brokerage along the Gulf Coast.